Dum 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 dum. Oh yeah 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 yeah. Oh yeah. Only the lonely, only the lonely, only the lonely dum 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 dum. Know the way I feel tonight. The lonely dum dum dum. No, this feeling ain't right. Dum 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 dum. There goes my baby. There goes my heart. They're gone forever, so far apart. But only the lonely knows why I cry. Only the lonely dum 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 do I. Oh yeah 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 yeah. Yeah, oh, oh, oh. Only the lonely, only the lonely, only the lonely. Know the heartaches I've been through. Oh, oh yeah, yeah. Only the lonely dum 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 dum. No, I cried for you. Dum 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 dum. Maybe tomorrow a new romance. No more sorrow. But that's the chance you gotta take if you're lonely. Heartbreaks. Only the lonely dum 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 do. Well, hi there, pluckers. I was Soul Fingers again with another old classic. This one's from Roy Orbison, of course. Only the Lonely. Fun number. Standard tuning, no capos, okay, doing it in the original key that Roy Orbison did it in, okay. So starting off with the intro, obviously, and the intro is played a couple of times in the song. It plays about halfway through as well. Starts off with some unaccompanied vocals, dum dum dum, and then we're in with an F, okay. Now you'll see me playing a four-fingered F most of the song, okay. It's just the way I tend to play my Fs, okay. A standard F chord, but my third finger is up on the 3rd fret on the 5th string, and my pinky takes over the 3rd fret of the 4th string. 5 down to 1. By all means play a simple F. I'm playing a 4-fingered F, or you could play a full bar chord F if you so wished, okay? Whichever is best for yourself, okay? It's all about what you like, okay? So, dum 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 do oh yeah yeah, and we got to a G minor. Oh, yeah. That's barring the first 3 strings on the 3rd fret with your 1st finger, and then the way I'm playing it is with my 3rd finger and pinky on the 5th fret of the 5th string and the 5th fret of the 4th string. Again, you could play a full bar chord if you so wished. Okay? No problem at all. So that's the first 2 chords. It then goes to a B flat. So now I'm playing the B flat here on the 6th fret. You could play a full bar chord, 6th fret major shape. I'm playing the same shape I use for an F chord, a 4-fingered F shape on the 6th fret. 5 down to 1. Okay? So let's get the first 3 chords sorted out for you on the intro. Dum 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 do oh yeah 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 yeah. Oh, oh yeah. Okay, and then we go to a C7. C chord, basic C chord with a pinky added on the 3rd fret of the 3rd string, the G string. Lonely, but then we're back to the F, lonely, then we go back to the C7, only the F, lonely, and then and a stop. So it's lonely, only the lonely. Definite stop on the F there. Do a pause, and then he comes in with the first line of the verse, of course. Only the lonely, that bit, okay? So let's do the intro again very slowly. Dum dum dum, do oh yeah 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 yeah. Oh 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 oh, oh. Only the lonely, only the lonely, only the, and then we go back into F. Lonely dum dum do know the way I feel. Drop to the G minor again. Yeah, yeah. Let's do the first two lines again. Only the lonely dum 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 do you want know the way I feel tonight. Oh yeah 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 yeah. Then it goes to C7. Oh only sorry. Yeah yeah. Only, oh, I can't do it without doing it one go. I can't. Singing goes to pot. Only the lonely dum 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 do you want know the way tonight. Oh yeah yeah yeah. Only the lonely dum 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 you do want know this feeling is a B flat. Feeling ain't F, right? Dum 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 you do want. Now the B flat on this one, again you could play the B flat like you did on the intro, 6th fret, bar chord or 4 fingers, or you could play a B flat like, simple B flat like that, and as you're coming from the C7th here, it's probably one of the best solutions because then you don't have a lot of movement, wasting time going up here. So 1st fret, top E string, 1st finger, then the other 3 fingers playing the 4th, 3rd and 2nd strings on the 3rd fret. Like that, or you could play a bar chord, B flat, barring the 1st fret with your 1st finger, and then either 3 fingers on the 4th, 3rd and 2nd strings on the 3rd fret, or a single bar with your 3rd finger or pinky. Like that. I tend to do that myself, but that's the simple version is quite good as well. 4 down to 1. So, and then we go to an F, okay? So from the first verse, only the lonely dum 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 tell me do I know the way I feel. G minor, then oh yeah, yeah. C7. Only the lonely dum 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 dum. No, B flat was feeling. F alright, dum 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 tell me do I. There goes my baby. Now you carry on playing the F on that. There goes my baby, and then stop on baby, okay? There goes my baby, and then you do 4 stabs. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? There goes my baby, that is and then 4 stabs, okay? So coming out of that last line where it goes, I know this feeling ain't right, dum dum dum, tell me do I. There goes my baby, bap 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 bap. There goes my heart, then you play an F7, 4 stabs on an F7. Now the best way of playing that is a bar chord, okay? So you bar the 1st fret and play like an F bar chord but with pinky off. Don't need the pinky, okay? So that's the way I suggest you play it, okay? You could play it. The other way of playing it, I would suggest, is barring the first 4 strings on the 1st fret and then just adding a finger, whichever finger is more comfortable for you, 2nd finger or 3rd finger, on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string, and just play 4 down to 1 or 5 down to 1. You could play 5 down to 1, I suppose. Sounds better with 4 down to 1, I think. So if you don't want to play the bar chord, that's what I would suggest you do. Just bar the first 4 strings on the 1st fret with the 1st finger and add your 3rd finger or 2nd finger to the 2nd fret of the 3rd string, 4 down to 1, 4 stabs. Okay, so from the beginning of this bit where it goes, there goes my baby, 1, 2, 3, 4, there goes my heart, or that, preferable if you can do the bar chord. There Gone Forever is a B flat. I would suggest you do the one up here again, but you could do the one down here, whichever B flat you like, okay? Bar chord or 4 fingers. So Far Apart is G7. Again, the different ways you could play a standard G7 if you like, that one, 1st fret, top E string. You do 3 stabs and then 1 stab on C7. Right? So 3 stabs on G7 and 1 stab on a C7. Or you could do a standard bar chord G7, just a bar chord G major with pinky off, and then the C7, whichever is more suitable for yourself. Okay? So this whole thing where it comes out of the last line of the verse, let's get that far. So knowing this feeling ain't right, dum 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 dum, there goes my baby, there goes my heart, they're gone forever, so far apart, or okay, whichever suits you best. Okay, then it goes, but only the lonely, back to F, lonely, no B flat, why, C7, I cry, only F, the lonely, and then we're back into the intro again. Okay, we start the intro off at that point. Dum 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 dum, we do a little bit. Okay, so let's do the whole song up to that point, because the rest of the song basically repeats. Okay, so from the very beginning. Okay, so it's a bit messy, but there's lots of little bits in this song, so I have to stop and start a lot. Okay, so from the beginning, dum 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 do, oh yeah yeah yeah, oh 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 wow, only the lonely, only the lonely, only the lonely, dum 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 tell you why, the way I feel tonight, oh yeah 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 yeah, only the lonely, dum 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 you why, no this feeling ain't right, dum 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 you why, there goes my baby, there goes my heart, they're gone forever, out of the apart, but only the lonely, dum 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 dum, know why I cry, only the lonely, dum 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 do I, oh 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 yeah yeah, oh 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 wow, only the lonely, only the lonely. And then we go into another verse exactly the same to play as the first verse with some slight differences in the words. Only the lonely, dum 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 do I know the headaches I'm through, oh oh yeah yeah, only the lonely, dum 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 do I know I cry for you, dum 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 do I, maybe tomorrow a new romance, no more sorrow, but that's the chance. And it goes unaccompanied, you gotta take, if you're B flat, lonely, C7 heartbreaks, only F, the lonely, dum 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 dummy do, and it finishes on that F. Okay, That's the last line of the song, is that it goes, it comes out of that middle bit, maybe tomorrow, right, so a new romance, no more sorrow, now that's the chance you gotta take if you'll be flat lonely. C7 heartbreaks, only F the lonely dum 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 do I. And that's the end of the song. Okay, so hopefully that will help you play that song. Sorry about my singing, it's just purely for reference, not meant to be a cover version. Okay, just for fun. Okay, so there we have it, and hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.